World Hepatitis Day is recognized annually on July 28th, the birthday of Dr. Bruce Blumberg. Dr. Blumberg discovered the hepatitis B virus in 1967 and 2 years later he developed the first hepatitis B vaccine. These achievements culminated in Dr. Blumberg winning the Nobel Prize in Psychology or medicine in 1976. Organizations around the world, including the World Health Organization and CDC, commemorate WHD to raise awareness about viral hepatitis, which impact more than 354 million people worldwide. WHD creates an opportunity to educate people about the burden of these infections. CDC's efforts to combat viral hepatitis around the world and action people can take to prevent these infections. Viral hepatitis is a group of infections disease known as hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis D, and hepatitis E. Affects millions of people worldwide, causing both acute and chronic liver disease. Viral hepatitis causes more than 1 million deaths each year, while deaths from tuberculosis and HIV have been declining. Deaths from hepatitis are increasing. The vision of CDC is to eliminate viral hepatitis in the United States and globally. CDC collaborates with international partners to help countries experiencing high rates of infections to prevent, control, and eliminate viral hepatitis. Beginning in 2015, CDC partnered with the country of Georgia to launch the first hepatitis C eliminations program in the world. In 2019, Georgia was designated the first ever EASL International Liver Foundation Center of Excellence externals icons in viral hepatitis elimination. In June 2021, CDC and the National Center of Disease Control and Public Health TBILISI Georgia and CDC conducted training and launched the second nationwide hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and COVID-19 Sero survey. The Sero survey will provide information on progress toward the prevention and eliminations of hepatitis B and hepatitis C in Georgia and will provide key information for ongoing interventions needed to meet viral hepatitis elimination targets. The field work for the survey is expected to finish in September 2021. CDC's international works help reduce disease burdens globally, including for overseas travelers and those migrating to the United States. CDC staff meeting with leadership from the infectious disease AIDS and clinical research hospital in the country of Georgia. CDC works closely with the infectious disease AIDS and clinical research hospital in TBILISI, Georgia. Global hepatitis work in other countries to further decrease the burden of all types of viral hepatitis. CDC also helps countries build capacity to surveillance, testing, care, and treatment, and assist with developments and implementations of national control and eliminations program. CDC has recently supported other countries including Pakistan, Uzbekistan, and Tanzania.